Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Gulp Premium Milk Frother. This is the box that it comes in. There is no information, so we are going to open this box and take a look inside. So there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have this document. This is basically a card that tells you how to use, how to clean, and also tips on how to properly maintain. There are some installation guides over here as well. It says that this particular device requires 2 AA batteries. Batteries are not included. It says place ribbon under batteries, open battery compartment, insert first battery up with the positive end pointed at button, insert second battery with the positive end pointed at mixture. And that's more or less it. And this is the device in question. This also comes with this stand. This is an aluminum stand, so this can stay over here. This is the device in question. This is the Gulp Premium Milk Frother. This is the frothing attachment. This is attached to it. This does not come off, and it has this matte black finish to it and also an ergonomic design. This is the button that you use to control it. This is a single touch button over here, and the batteries go in over here. As you can see, there are no batteries, but this is a compartment for 2 AA batteries right over here. So once you're done using it, once you're done frothing milk, you can actually put it inside over here like so and let it rest. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Gulp Premium Milk Frother. Thank you for watching.